Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ocean.
Happy birthday.
It's about to be a really happy birthday as we're gonna clear this, boys.
3, 2, 1, go.
Be the best birthday.
Someone got my interrupt, so
Well, it's not me.
I don't know if that'll fuck you guys' rotation.
Okay. That's unfortunate. Flag spike. My opener, my opener.
Just walking right back into it.
I got this one, Cal. Crushing the weak. We got next presence.
Okay. Oh, that's the most unfortunate. Oh, okay. I need to rebuild
Fine.
that here, unfortunate.
Rip.
You go for it too?
Yeah.
Alright, next.
Go ahead, Veer. Thank you.
He's gonna fire us immediately, yep.
You got next, Cal, or no?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. I got next one then. Fine. Oh, somebody I think got that.
I'll get that.
Yep. Somebody might, if he goes again, I'll let you know.
Dude, what do you want?
Somebody's got to get this one. Okay, presence went off.
Oh, unfortunate.
That was the most cool GP.
Well, you're a gamer.
Cool train.
Call train.
Doing it.
Transport request acknowledged. Your transport will arrive in 6 minutes.
I'm not even in that.
This is unfortunate.
Update.
You're good.
Transport will arrive in
I'm
3
frozen.
minutes.
It'll wear off.
Dude was also excited.
Pulling up a little bit here.
Don't hit side text.
Update.
Alright,
Transport
push.
will be arriving in error minutes.
Oh shit, Cal. Oh, nice leap, dude. You're insane.
Should know better than to doubt Cal by now.
Yeah, dude. Cal is.
Beyond words, yeah.
Sorry, Tran, but
You're good. I'm going to the.
didn't really have any lot of options there.
Oh, you're good. I don't even know what you did.
I just dropped the dive bomb over here.
How dare you?
Unacceptable. No, 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 no. Hit the enter key. I'm a fucking gamer.
Slowly moving to this side, not on the tracks yet.
Okay, next time dive bombs, we can do some shit. There we go. Time. It's time. Why am I targeting so fucked right now?
You're gonna be cut off for a second as well, so.
Left me a little gap. It's alright.
Con is at 28.
He's at 28.
He's all the way at 51. So
He's at
I need
50
to-
right now.
Oh, I'm getting them. Let's see them. Yeah, get on.
Here, I'll range Kron down to 25 while you get hissy.
Big
Barras.
spring Greus over there.
Yeah, yep.
He's 37 now.
Jesus Christ. Holy fuck.
Sorry
I
for being
believe in you.
far.
I believe in you, healers. I love you guys. You guys are legends.
You can push train.
see
Yeah, I'm
if
gonna
you
call
can-
train.
Biggs he's
Oh, this is
healing.
gonna hurt.
Transport request acknowledged.
You get a bubble and a prayer.
Your transport
Watch the
Thanks,
circle.
will arrive in 6 minutes.
I have shield in 10 seconds, healers.
We did endo fucking early. Holy shit.
Here, I'm gonna keep him like right here.
I gotta get off for a second here.
Hey,
Yeah,
if you
wha-
need to, that's fine.
Transport
Push
I hit him
this, get him
through.
out of here.
Hit 3 minutes.
Oh, that's a circle. Push. Get Hissy out of here, please.
I'm gonna die. This is bad.
Hey,
This
Zom.
is very bad. This is very bad. This is very bad.
Push
Someone
Kron.
get Greus, please.
Yep, I got him. Heal me, please, healers.
I'm just bringing him. I thought on him as well. Trying
Okay, okay, you're good.
Transport will be arriving
Get him on
in
tracks
11
first.
minutes.
Get him out of here.
I'm just gonna die, it's fine. Let me die.
Good, good, good. It's good, it's good.
Now arrived. The train is now
It's okay. We have a res. Just get him.
Yeah, you can press
Alright. Everybody chill, everybody relax. Here we go.
I'll guard Cal in this face.
Do I have shit? Okay, I have shit. I'll guard Biggs when they get him up. Are you guys getting him up or no?
Y'all gonna res him or?
I'm getting him. I'm getting him.
No, I just need to know whether or not. So I use the guard.
So like we can take the
wait,
dive
wait
bombs.
to taunt, wait to taunt, wait to taunt.
I know. I got it.
Taunt now.
Okay, this time I'm just gonna jump off when you taunt him.
Yep. I'm ready.
Go for it.
Stop. I have to range this.
Yep. Do you want me to taunt him?
Yeah, taunt him, run up.
Okay, got it.
Dive bombing. Just gonna get out of this. Alright, hit him.
Yep, hit him.
Sov, don't run in unless you have a CD.
Yeah, I'm just gonna chill for a second.
Yeah, that was close. That was very close. Cal.
No, we're
Cal.
Nice.
You only hit him when he's on the ground. Straight up.
You said go in, so I went in.
I know. I'm just saying. Drive it!
Okay, I got it.
Sov, you're low DPS. Or low tank.
Yep.
You are low DPS.
You gotta tell me when to taunt him.
I'll tell you
Okay,
when.
I will.
Taunt.
Take him now.
Good. You have Shroud?
Yes, I got Cloak Shroud.
Okay, when Fire and Ice comes, just do it and I'll taunt him.
He's gonna...
I got it.
That's fine. Sov, yep, take that out. Don't get nothing from the train. Go back to that spot and just don't move. Straight up, your damage is not gonna matter here.
I got Shroud back up too as a
Taunt,
DCD.
taunt,
so-
On it. On it.
Just jump, Tron.
We're good.
He was off.
We're good. I'm good.
Filter, it's fine. We're good.
I don't have
So,
guard, by the way.
I don't
so
have-
okay.
Do I need to taunt him back
No,
down now?
no,
Okay,
no,
okay, okay.
No,
Just tell me when again.
Okay.
Just stay out of the way, so that's all you gotta do. He's gonna run up. Ready?
I got it. I got it. Don't worry about
You're
taunting.
ready to taunt.
Huge Shroud for that too, by the way, so.
Okay.
Ready? You ready?
Taunt it.
Now. Now. Nice. Go. Here, do you have Shroud?
No, I don't.
Okay, I got it. Don't worry.
Can I be DP? Can I like at least use abilities here?
You use range stuff. Just make sure you get back to that spot. Getting to the spot is more important than your damage range. Just gonna go back up to Tran. When it gets to the top, you taunt again. Okay,
We're good.
let's do that. He's gonna run up.
I'm coming back down.
Okay, tell me.
Fire nice, fire
Oh,
nice.
Please,
shit.
healer. Okay.
No, that's just fire nice.
I don't have a DCD for this. No. I'm alive?
Just live. Just live.
I don't have anything for this
Get to the
though.
top. Get to the top. He's gonna dive bomb back down. You're
Okay,
ready to
can
jump
taunt?
off, alright?
I can taunt back
Taunt
to
him? Do I need to taunt him?
It's a good shield.
Do I need to taunt him?
No, he's on you, You're ready to jump? Jump. It's good. He's gonna be on you,
Run
you're
away.
ready to
Dying.
shot.
Oh.
Not yet, he dilates at 1%.
Oh, 1%.
Simp, just stay as far as you can. You're gonna be the one that lives this. After this dive bomb, he's gonna do dying light, alright? Just live this.
I'm
Slam
fine,
jump.
Vera. I have all my DCs.
Run.
Get out,
Up
get out
the
of that
stairs
circle.
into the door.
Get out
Up
of
the
that
stairs
circle.
into the
That's all
door.
you
You're good. We win.
Oh,
Boys, come on, 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 boys!
Let's go.
Let's fucking go!
Woo!
Get him out of here.
Get Get him out of here, dude!
Let's go.
Get him out.
Woo!
Oh my god.
Who needs a
Get him outta
tank?
here.
Holy shit, dude.
Get him the
Red
fuck
circles.
out.
I can't do red circles, but I can taunt.
Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Dude, we've had Solve on DPS the whole time. He's actually a tank. Who knew?
Yo, I just want to say, Tran and Sub, you guys fucking slammed that shit with tank. Good shit.
I mean, I should have stayed up and not go down and tried to tank the Fire Knight, but
It's just better to play it safe.
Oh my god.
congrats, boys.
Fuck you, big.
Get him out of here.
I don't think I pressed a DPS ability that entire fight.
No,
Until
you
the
didn't.
end
It's
there,
okay.
until we heard him.
It's okay, so.
You didn't need to.
Oh,
Holy
commemorative
shit,
statue of
boy.
Greus. Perfect.
Get him out of here, dude. Hell yeah.
Yes.
Get him the fuck out of here, dude.
Now let's go one shot hunt master.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.